Dreaming of working in the USA but don't know where to start? So stop wasting your time. In this video, I will show you how exactly you can find USA based employers that hire international workers and reveal one skill that is in huge demand right now in USA. So watch till the end. So guys, welcome back to the Global Hustlers. I'm Abhiraj and here we talk about jobs abroad, visa tips and the skills that can get you hired fast in the USA. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you never miss these updates. So coming back to the point, how can you find USA based employers? Step 1, you have to go to the job portals like Indeed, Monster, ZipRecruiter, LinkedIn, and you have to apply for filters like location, USA, and visa sponsorship. That is very necessary key filter. Also, you have to apply daily minimum 5 to 10 jobs. Step 2, you have to check the USA H1B database so that you know which companies have recruited previously. You will check the data, you would be knowing which companies are recruiting the international workers. Step 3, you can do LinkedIn networking. You can message the recruiters, HRs from the companies directly in a professional manner. That increases your chance to 5x so that you can achieve and get the job hired fast. Step 4, recruitment agencies. These are the agencies who are specialized in national workers. But before you pay anything, check their proper government registered license, then only enroll with them. Now the most foremost part of the video, which one skill is the highest in demand in the US? The answer is simple, nursing and healthcare. Yes, you heard it right. Nursing and healthcare jobs have a huge shortage in USA. Many employers sponsor the visa for the same category. You should have some small certifications like CNA. CNA means Certified Nursing Assistant. PCT. PCT is Patient Care Technicians. Third, HHA, Home Health Aid. These are some small certifications you can get from your home country and then can enter without any degree to the USA. You can easily find employers in these specific roles very easily in the USA. Also, you know why this skill is valuable? Because population is aging. There is high demand for healthcare again. Also, many employers in USA need healthcare and there is a specific demand for the same. As well, there are many other benefits like a handsome salary, stable employment, visa sponsorship. अब ग्लोबल हस्लर्स के लिए कुछ एक्शनेबल एडवाइस. फर्स्ट, अपडेट योर रिज्यूमे इन यूएसए बेस्ड स्टाइल्स, फॉन्ट्स. ऑल्सो फोकस ऑन द स्किल्स दैट यू कैन शो and it should be in a USA format. Second, LinkedIn profile. Connect with recruiters. Apply daily to 10 to 20 companies from H1B database. These are some advices for our hustlers. If this video helped you, hit like button, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखो यूएसए जॉब हंट. हम इसकी आपको पूरी गाइडेंस बना के आपको पूरा PDF बना के आपको भेज देंगे. इफ यू हैव एनी अदर क्वेरीज जस्ट मेंशन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. ऑल्सो रिमेंबर, opportunities don't wait. You have to take action today.